welcome to today's grammar game show. I'm your host, Will. It's all you've got. And of course, let's not forget Leslie, our all-knowing voice in the sky.
Hello, everyone!
Tonight, we're going to ask you 3 questions about...
Adjectives. Those useful words that put some detail into our dialogue.
Okay, now let's meet our contestants.
Hello all, I'm Stacey.
And contestant number 2?
It's nice to meet you. I'm Charlene.
Welcome one and welcome all. Answer me right or take a fall. Anyway, let's move on to round 1. This is a control round. Answer the first question correctly and I'll ask you 3 more. You must answer all 3 correctly to get any points. True or false? Adjectives always come before a noun.
Easy. True.
Wow! You seem very confident. Remember, you must answer all 3 of the following questions to get any points.
Bring it on, Willie.
Willie! I haven't been called Willie since... But that was such a long time ago. Where is the adjective in this sentence? He lives in a blue house.
The adjective is blue. It comes before the noun house, like I said.
Try this one. The ferocious shark swam quickly.
Ferocious, adjective. Shark, noun. Adjective before noun. Yawn.
Okay, last one. I feel happy.
The adjective is happy. It comes before... Oh,
Charlene, would you like to answer this one?
Feel is a linking verb, so it can connect with an adjective. But the adjective comes after.
Leslie!
Well done! Adjectives commonly go in 2 positions. They can appear before the noun they are describing, or they can follow a linking verb, such as become, feel, or be.
Well done, Charlene. You get all of Stacey's points.
hey, that's not fair. I answered 3 out of the 4. Willie, please.
Well, when you put it like that, 10 points to Charlene and 20 to Stacey.
Hey, I see you. 2 can play at that game. Carry on, Wilsey.
Wilsey? Well, I haven't been called that since... But that was such a long time ago. Okay, on to our next round. And this will be a quick-fire round. Everybody knows that adjectives have an order. Here are some adjectives. I want to know what order they should go in. The noun is suit. Ready? Old.
An old suit, Willie.
Correct!
Beige.
An old beige suit, Wilsey.
Correct!
Woolen.
An old beige woolen suit, Willie.
Correct!
American.
An old beige American woolen suit, Wilsey.
Correct!
Medium.
A medium old beige American woolen suit, Wilsey.
Correct!
Leslie.
Good job! Though it is unlikely that you'll order so many adjectives for one noun, the order goes size, age, shape, color, origin, material. Though there are other types of adjectives which do not feature in this list, such as adjectives of opinion.
Excellent job.
Seriously, how hideous. Who'd wear a suit like that?
Yeah, for once I agree. Just tacky, tacky, tacky. On most people, but not on you, Wilsey.
Yeah, you've got the build to pull it off, Willie.
Yes, I thought so too. 10 points each, and later you can tell me more things about myself. On to our third round. And it's time to get extreme, ladies. Ladies, show me extreme. Yeah, very nice. Some adjectives are called non-gradable or extreme. I'm going to give you an adjective, and you're going to give me the extreme version. Ready? Tasty.
Wilsey looks utterly delicious in his suit.
Correct.
Oh, you. Interesting.
Everything you say is absolutely fascinating.
Correct.
Stop. No, don't stop. Handsome.
The host of this show is totally stunning.
Correct.
Well, this is unexpected. Leslie.
Absolutely perfect. Gradable adjectives can be made more or less using words like very or a bit. Non-gradable adjectives, however, are too strong. You cannot be a bit exhausted. In order to modify them, we need a stronger adverb, such as absolutely, totally, or utterly.
Excellent work. Here are 20 points each in mixed currency. And that brings us to the end of today's grammar game show. And the winner is... Stacy! Well done. Here's what you've won.
It's Will's favorite pair of shoes.
Oh, when did you get them? And Charlene, you did well, but not well enough, I'm afraid.
But Wilsey...
Here come the owls. It looks like we'll need another contestant.
So, where are we going for dinner?
Whoa! Fun and games aside, you're a nice person. But we're not even in the same league.
Men. Hang on, Charlene. Sisters before misters.
Death before dishonor. Respect. Thanks for joining us. Say goodbye, Leslie.
До свидания, Leslie.
See you next time.